The design is ready, so let me present what we've prepared for you. This is one of our local heat distribution solutions. It's created with the use of Uponor Ecoflex thermo-twin pipes. Inside this pre-insulated pipe are two separated PEX pipes for heating supply and return. The entire installation is laid below the level of the slab. You do not have to worry about any interference with warehouse equipment or the future operation. All the connections inside and outside the installation sets are managed without welding and with the use of Uponor connection systems. Only one Uponor special tool is needed. The pipe layout we propose considers the optimal route between the plant room and each of the manifolds, avoiding interference with the structural elements. The modeled components reflect the sizes and properties of the real products available in your country. You can access this information using the link inside the components, selecting the object type, as in your project, and navigating through the online page. One important property here is the maximum length of the coil. We used this value to prepare our design. As a matter of fact, in the model, you will not find a pipe longer than 100 meters. The different pipes will be connected through special insulation sets. Inside these elements on the construction site, the connection of the PEX pipes within the Ecoflex pipes will be realized using our quick and easy fittings. Now let me show you how we connected the different manifolds. We got the specifics of the manifold for the plant room from our local partner. We then prepared a generic component to store the necessary information. Before connecting each manifold, we also added an independent control valve with specific settings we calculated in order to balance the installation. The manifolds adjacent to the plant room have been directly connected to the main manifold through a combination of Uponor MLC pipes and S-Press Plus fittings. The other manifolds are supplied by the Ecoflex thermo-twin pipes. The connection between the Ecoflex system and the manifold is created through PEX pipes and quick and easy fittings. The model reflects the dimensions, bending radiuses, and components the way they will be installed on the construction site. Finally, as requested, all the information has been stored in the model. In this schedule, you can find all the parameters assigned to the main manifold. In the next schedule, for each Ecoflex thermo-twin pipe, you can see which string of information is connected to them. The same goes for the MLC pipes that connect the main manifold to M14 and M18. Aside from that, we've also delivered the detailed hydraulic calculation of the system and the bill of material, where we separate Uponor components from other components.